this series. Oh my god. Wow. Wow. Yes, we can catch by hand. Wow. We're looking for raptor here. The same place. Things have. Oh my god. Oh, wow. One millipede. Oh my god. Oh. Wow. It's got two. We got a 2 millipede. Oh. Wow. Here before I have the that looking around here. See. Ooh. Wow, he's sleeping here. Oh my gosh. Oh. Ooh. Wow. Oh my god. It's strong. Millipede. Oh my god. Wow. Oh. This one beach. Oh my god. It's so big here. Oh. It's way big. Oh my god. And it's small one. Oh my god, it's small one. Wow, and difficult to catch because it's small. Wow. Oh wow. They call it train. Oh my god. Oh. It's toad. Oh my god, it's toad. Wow, it's toad. Oh my god. Oh, it's got a 1/3. Amazing today. Thank you so much for watching my video.